Mediterranean roasted cod. Instructions: 1. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. 2. Place the cherry tomatoes in an oven-safe dish. Top with the sliced garlic and drizzle with half the amount of olive oil. 3. Place the dish in the oven, then immediately reduce the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. Roast for 15 minutes. 4. After 15 minutes, remove the dish from the oven and place the fish on top of the tomatoes. Season everything with salt and ground black pepper, and drizzle the remaining olive oil over the fish. 5. Scatter the capers, thyme leaves, and chili flakes over the fish. Roast for a further 12 to 15 minutes until the fish is just cooked through. 6. Remove the dish from the oven and divide the fish, tomatoes, capers, and herbs between the plates. 7. Stir the lemon juice into the remaining juices in the oven dish and drizzle it over the fish. Finish by sprinkling freshly grated lemon zest over the plates. Take the fish out of the fridge 15 to 20 minutes before cooking. This will take the chill off and allow it to cook more evenly. Ingredients: 1 pound cod, boneless fillets. 4 ounces cherry tomatoes, preferably on the vine. 1 garlic clove, sliced. 1 tsp olive oil. Salt and ground black pepper. 1 tsp small capers. 1 tsp fresh thyme leaves. Half tsp chili flakes. 1 tsp freshly squeezed lemon juice. Half tsp lemon zest. For more recipes, click here, https://cut.ly/imscasp.